The government railway police arrested 2 youths with a major catch of contraband at the Udaipur Railway Station. The duo was intercepted while trying to transport a 7 kg of consignment of semi-processed cannabis via train.
Acting on the precise intelligence input regarding a drug transit route, a special operational team from the Udaipur GRP station laid a strategic dragnet and the railway platforms. As the intermediate train arrived, security personnel identified 2 suspicious passengers and subjected them to a thorough baggage search. The raid yielded approximately 7 kilograms of high-grade marijuana neatly concealed inside their personal luggage. The GRP police team seized the entire narcotic consignment and formally took the 2 suspects into custody.
তোমার দেলোয়ার কি হোসেন বাড়ি কই তোমার বেগ কি গাজা কেমন কত কেজি 7 কেজি 2টা ব্যাগে কই নিয়ে যাইতাছলা ধর্মনগর কার কাছে দিবা কোন জায়গা থেকে নিয়েছিল এটা গাঁজাটা মাসিমা থেকে তোমরা উদয়পুরের সন্ধান দিল গে
A regular case under specific sections of the NDPS Act has been registered at a local GRP station, and a deeper investigation is underway to track the kingpins running this subroom to Dharmanagar transit pipeline. Pure report, Chini Khorang.